Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic's air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. First, gather your tools, a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. Now, let's access the filter. You will see two metal clips holding the air filter housing cover in place. Unclip both of these. Next, locate the hose clamp on the intake tube connected to the air box. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen this clamp. Once loosened, carefully pull the intake tube away from the air filter housing. This will give you enough room to proceed with the replacement. With the clips and intake tube out of the way, gently lift the air filter housing cover. You will now see the old, often dirty, air filter. Carefully remove this old filter from its compartment. Take your new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and correctly oriented. A clean filter allows your engine to breathe much better, improving overall efficiency. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the intake tube to the air filter housing, ensuring a snug fit. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the hose clamp securely. Then, fasten the two metal clips back onto the air filter housing cover until they click into place. Close your hood, and you are all done. Start your engine to confirm everything is operating smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.